Hey, if you are wondering if you can find AI features on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, then yes, of course, and let me just quickly explain how it looks on each smartphone. So when you go for the earbud controls and go for pinch and hold controls, you can find the Bixby, but also the digital assistant from Google. So you can find the Gemini, but also the Google Assistant. So this is just a quick access to the AI applications. Also, we can find the interpreter application, but it is not available on every smartphone because, for example, for me on the Samsung A37 5G, it's not possible to use it because it's just not available. But if you have, for example, the Samsung S25 or S26, then you can find here the interpreter application that use AI for translation. And that's pretty much it. You can also find something that is called a head gestures, so you can also use this for Bixby. And there's also the voice controls to also use the AI. So you can wake the Bixby, for example, with this wake keyword. And this is it. This is all AI features that you can find it.